Hi, let's make egg masala and egg masala curry today. This 2-in-1 recipe is absolutely easy to make and impress your guest. I'm boiling 5 eggs and taking 1 chopped onion, tomatoes, cilantro and some whole spices. The eggs are boiled now. Let's take a wok and add little bit of olive oil and shallow frying the eggs. You can completely skip this part and just add a slit and add the boiled eggs to the masala or the curry. The eggs are fried well now. Eggs are ready. Now in the same wok, I will add more oil. Little secret here. So if you use red chili powder and turmeric powder in the beginning of preparing the masala, you get a nice red color to your curry naturally. So here I am adding ginger, garlic and onion paste. Look at that color. Let's add the whole spices. I am taking tej patta, black cardamom, cinnamon. After 2 minutes, our onions are cooked well. Now let's add tomato puree. At this stage, we will add the other powder spices. I'm adding a little bit of cilantro, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder. Coriander and cumin powder is always 1:2 ratio. As per your choice. I'm adding little bit of cilantro and some spicy non-vegetarian masala which I prepare at home. Please let me know if you would like a recipe for this. It is absolutely delicious to use in non-vegetarian dishes and even in vegetarian dishes like jackfruit curry or even simple aloo matar curry. Yummy, that looks delicious. So our first dish, the egg masala recipe, is ready at this stage. Steamed rice. And here comes the second recipe, which is the egg masala curry. For that I am adding boiling hot water. Curry simmer for around 2 minutes. Wow, it smells delicious here in my kitchen. See you soon with a new recipe next week. Stay tuned and enjoy.